Hi guys, this is Miyasad and today I'm gonna share a review about Brave browser. What is Brave browser? How it works, how it looks like, and why it is superior than Chrome and Mozilla and Microsoft Internet Explorer and many other browsers you use to on the daily basis. Why it is best than and better than other browser. Let me show you one thing. One question I wanna ask to you that would you like to see ads? Would you like to see ads? No, you will not like to see ads. Nobody will be happy to watch ads or skip ads or banner ads and too much crappy ads. You want to content, you want videos, you want to see images, you want to browse internet free without internet without ads or too much ads. So this has a built-in ad blocker. You can see 25 tracker blocked and ads blocked and 2 minute time saved. That's a very comprehensive review about that, a quick review, like why you should download about this. Let me show you a real example. Here's a YouTube. I will show you the ads has been blocked properly from the here's I will go to the home page. You will see there's a no ad. There's a no ad on the home page. That is very good. On the other hand, if I open a YouTube here on a Chrome version, you can see there's a banner ad and there's a video ad. So you will, for now, you don't have to watch these ads anymore. That's great news. Further, they have a shield active. Just you need to activate this button and you all the block tracker will be blocked. And further, many ads, like you can see, has been already blocked. You will not see any ads. You like this idea? Yeah, I know you will like. And another thing, this browser grab the too much attention to the user who wants a private browser, a secure browser, and a fastest browser. So it has all the quality. It's based on a Chromium project by Google, open source project, and maintained by some individuals. So Mozilla Firefox owner, a co-founder, Brandon, is behind this browser, who launched this browser 2 years ago with sponsorship of Bat Token. It's a product of Bat Token. Bat Token is a cryptocurrency based on Ethereum blockchain, and you can send and receive money by Bat Token using this browser. Has a built-in wallet in it. You can see I have a 000 bat. I can tip money to the content creator. If you like this video, you can tip. You are not a Brave browser now. If after installing this browser, you can tip me a money if you like this video, and you can tip any other content creator if you like. And here's a built-in wallet. You can send and receive money to the other Brave user. That's a very convenient way to send money. And you can see there's ads has been blocked, and I really like. And any other thing about the privacy you want to know, Brave browser and clearly clear this doubt about if they collect user information, private data, or any other activity. No, they clearly said in their blog that they will never ever collect the user personal information, or not they will sell this information to the advertiser. So this is a private and secure, and tracker has been blocking. And happy surfing and enjoy this browser. If you really want to download this browser, I give you a link below the video in the description. If you like this review, and if you like this browser, just subscribe my channel and like my channel and support me. Thank you. This is Mia Asad. Thank you so much for watching this video.